Want to switch up your look in Fortnite? Here's how to change your character in quick and easy steps. From the main menu, click on Locker. This is where all your skins are stored. Click on your current character to open your skin collection. Now, pick the skin you want to use. As you can see, there are different skins that you can choose from. You could edit your outfit, your back bling, or those are the outfit accessories that you see on your back. And then you can also change your pickaxes and your gliders. You could even add dive trails, your auras, and even your kicks or your shoes. Now, hit equip to select your new look. Yeah. Pick the skin that you want to use and click on save. When you go back to your lobby, your character will be updated. If you don't feel like choosing anything, you could simply go and click these three dots here and click on randomize, so the game will randomize your character skins for you. And that's it. You're ready to drop in with a fresh new style. Like and follow for more quick Fortnite tips.